A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As per Surim chapter EVS from the window. It is morning now. Last night I went to sleep early. It was too dark to see anything outside when the train stopped. Early this morning I woke up. It was the Vijaypur Samba that was written on the board of the platform opposite that we were going through the state of Jammu and Kashmir. दपा ये बह सुबह गोस ट्रेन मज हुशार ट्रेन मज सफ़र करान दपा बह गोस ट्रेन मज हुशार दपा यह सुबह नुक नुक गाश आमुत मे वुच अत बोर्ड लगित सुबह 7 बजाम दपा अत बोर्ड लगित अत स्टेशनस पे विजयपुर सांबा तमें मतलब गो वतमित सांबा सांबा जम्मू कश्मीर मज डिस्ट्रिक्ट जिला तथ वन सांबा ऊर सांबा स्टेशनस पे वत मे आपा सद मे दोप तम वो जम्मू कश्मीर रियासत मज वो जम्मू कश्मीर मज पकुन अत ट्रेन मज. We got up at the station and had some tea and filled our water bottles. The train started again. I find it difficult to describe the scene outside. It is green everywhere, fields with red soil, green crops and hills covered with trees. दपा ये अत स्टेशनस पे सुबह वत बह गोस हुशार तो यह ट्रेन दिल पे आम कत पे आम दपा ये सुबह गो हुशार अत स्टेशनस पे सांबा विजयपुर मज जम्मू कश्मीर मज दपा बह वथ ट्रेन मज बुन बर चे चाय बे बर वाटर बोतल 3 बोतल बर दपा निबर किन खूबसूरत नज़ार प्रथ साइड सरसब्ज फील्ड ज़मीन वजज हाँ बे हिल्स पहाड़. Sometimes I can see small ponds and far away behind the hill more water. I cannot make out if it is a river. The air cooler and not so dry as in Delhi. दपा अन जान ये सब दार किन वुचान अत शीशस मज अत रेल गाड़ी मज मे दूर अम तालाब मे समझे कि यह तालाब किन यह दरियाव हाँ दपा अत बे हवा सरद तो बनस्बत दिल हिंद हवा दिल गरम हवा. The train passed a level crossing. People are waiting on both the sides of the crossing for the train to pass. The train has a level crossing. At level crossing, so is doing side look beat prara rail gate carnet istaro up. Level crossing. Level crossing is jay at rail guide in sadak as the mus I see guide in her sadak. Ach is per pole walan, boon is per rail guide man. Iki guide aside and don't par. Buses, trucks, auto rickshaw, sari gadi as truck as bus as prara. Motorcycle, scooter, tongue as people in them. Some people do not switch off the engines with the idea look as a guide time start mask start carries banki it is warrior do it was noise the it was still air pollution. See some people going under the bars of the level cross. How the urges level crossing till near impol till near the payas is dangerous in till hikes near on can the guys give or a consat rail good and some accident. At times our train crosses another train, Ajay and I tried to count the carriages in such one train. Both the trains were going so fast we always got confused. The sign rail guide said this Yorkin Biak Ajay Express Pakan, that is Biak Sadak Yorkin, Amasas Parlalam Sarkaz, the bus system rail guide in Dabhaka Hamangans round, but bus was confused because you don't wear rail guide as stairs. What's the difference in the scene that Ritu saw from the train on the first day and on the second day? You mean you see Ritu, so matlab go you see a story pada yes Ritu one a story the imis when you see difference you see gwanik da wuch scene Delhi maz da duimi da wuch Jammu Kashmir atmas kya difference atmas see difference that shuro ki gwanik da you see external atmosphere or Delhi hut climate was it was dry air it was garmi zyada duimi da yeli Jammu Kashmir maz was it was air cool this it was variya sar